Come on. It's when? Now. It's when? Now. It's right now. You got an opportunity of a lifetime right now. All right, now this is going to hurt somebody's feelings. How many people we got in the room? 100, 150 people? All right, so let's say we bring in 40 millionaires, right? We bring in 40 millionaires with us, and we divide all the money up equally. Listen to what I'm telling you. Somebody's going to take this and you're going to run with this. This is deep. You bring 40 people, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, whoever, and you bring them in and we get all our money. You take your money out the bank, they take their money out the bank, and we spread it evenly across 200 people. In 10 years, what's going to happen? I'm going to say it again so you can catch it. Somebody's like, what is he saying? You can bring 40 millionaires, billionaires in this room. We can split the money up evenly. 10 years from now, the millionaires will go back to being millionaires. And the billionaires will go back to being billionaires. The people that's broke go back to being broke. Did you catch that? Did you catch that? So now, you have an opportunity now. You have an opportunity now, right now, with Amazon, with a home-based business. You have an opportunity of a lifetime now that did not exist 10 years ago and may not exist 10 years later. So we got to get it now. You see, E.T., what you mean by that? Blockbuster. It wasn't even you didn't even say let's go to the movies. You said make it a blockbuster night. And watch this. Every time I go, I always just get one person that has one. Every time I get one person that's got the card. And guess what? He can't do nothing with this. They got one store that exists right now. Why? Because of Netflix. And the dude at Netflix started Netflix because he got tired of getting charged. They charged my man $40 for a movie that cost $20. Apollo 13, the movie. My man was hurt. And so he said, I'm going to create something where there's never a late fee. And he went to Blockbuster and said, I want to sell it to y'all. They said, no way. Now they are dead, gone. Don't think Amazon going to be, matter of fact, just a few years ago, it was who? eBay. It's not eBay no more. We got an opportunity. We got an opportunity of a lifetime. It has to be taken advantage of right now. And let me tell you something. Les Brown was the man back in the day. And watch this. Because of what Les Brown did back in the day, he's still living large today. Tony Robbins is living large right now. Why? Because of what he did years ago. I saw a sign up the other day that said Dale Carnegie training. I said, Dale Carnegie, ain't he dead? I done got Dale Carnegie trained. My man dead. People still eating, and his training is all over the world. Because of what he did yesterday, you have an opportunity right now. I need you to put all your energy, all your heart, all your soul into this enterprise so it can take you to the next level. Here go my last one. When is it? Now. When is it? Now. When is it? Now. No opportunity wasted. No opportunity wasted. Now. No opportunity wasted. Now. No opportunity wasted. This is our opportunity, and we're going to take advantage of it right now. You know how I blew up? I was the first motivational speaker to get on YouTube. That's how I blew up. I was the first one. And you know how I did it? Lifelong learner. I went into the mall, and I noticed the Chinese food. I noticed that their marketing was different than everybody else. Anybody ever been in the mall before? Chinese food? Totally different marketing. They giving out food. Try. I'm like, I'm good. She like, I'm like, yo, I'm good though. And she like, this ain't Chinese food. This is how I feed my family. Try it. Because I know if you try it, how many of y'all for real? You didn't even want the orange chicken. I promise you did. You wasn't even on that. You was on your way to get a sub. And she gave that joker to you hot. You got it off that toothpick, was like, whoa. She like, right here, $5.99. Get you the whole meal. I'm like, I got you. Give me two. My wife want to grab something. I don't want to eat off mine. I was a lifelong learner. I wasn't just eating. I saw that it was a marketing strategy behind that. They cook it fresh and it's smelling as soon as you walk in the mall. They right in the middle, right? Like when you coming through Macy's, they right at Macy's waiting right there. I'm like, boom, there we go. So just give it away free on YouTube. Just give it out. And when people start tasting it, they like, yo, I ain't never seen that kind of motivational speaker before. Yo, come here. Can you come here? How much do you charge? But I gave it away first So you know the product, you know if you want it or not. Guess what happened? After that, all the motivational speakers started giving away. Back in the day, it was they give you a 3-minute video, and then it stopped right when it get hot, and then you got to go online and you got to go buy the DVD set, and it takes 6 weeks. You need motivation right now, and they're like, 6 weeks, I can get you your DVD. And so while they were sending you, and they were better than me, and they stuff was way sweeter than mine. But while you had to wait 6 weeks to get theirs, I had given you 6 free messages. And even if you don't like me or you don't want to fool with me, it's free. So you just turn it on and start listening to it. It was like, I kind of like that dude. And after listening to it for a year or two, you was like, whoa, at first I wasn't kind of feeling all that screaming and hollering. But you know what? I kind of like that screaming and hollering. He making me want to run through a wall. Now, when? Out my garage. If E.T. can do it, you can do it. Out the basement. And guess what? We don't sell out the basement no more. We don't sell out the garage no more. We sell out of where now? Out of where? Amazon. Fulfillment center. You feel me? You want 20 of these, just go to Amazon. They'll get them for you. I ain't got to worry about shipping them. You ain't at home. That ain't my business. You call Amazon, let them fix that. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Here go the last one, guys. Act now. When? Now. Good. So I need you to write down a personal challenge to yourself right now. Personal challenge to yourself right now. Be hard. Write the challenge down. I challenge you to wake up on time. I challenge you to put in 40 hours a week. I challenge you to read up on Amazon. I challenge you to get a business partner, an accountability partner. I challenge you to go over the information you learned in this conference. I challenge you to get in contact with the people, amen, who run this conference, amen, ask questions and use, amen, whatever their facilities are. I challenge you. I challenge you not to have a bad day, but 30 straight days. I challenge you to do a 30-day challenge. I challenge you to get your health together. I challenge you to love my wife. I'm going to love my wife better, love my children better, whatever. Challenge yourself right now. Challenge yourself. And the level of your challenge is going to determine that goal. Got it? Change your mindset. Love it. Now, what I want you to do for me is give me 10 tasks to go with that. All right? So, yeah, you're going to lose. So you're going to work out 100 straight days. But who you going to call to hold accountable? What's going to be your playlist? What exercise equipment you going to use? How you going to change your diet? You feel what I'm saying? Like, give me 10. You say you're going to change your mindset. Are you going to read a book, an audio book? Are you going to go to a conference? Give me 10 tasks that you're going to do to make that happen. Good. You see where I'm going, guys? See how I'm building? Yep, we building. We go from this milestone to these tasks, right? Good, good. I got, yes, ma'am. So now I want you to write down, listen to me. I can, I will, I must. All right? I can, I will, I must. And I want you to finish that. I want you to, I can do this, I will do this, and I must do this. All right? And you're going to say this every day. You're going to say it every day for 90 straight days. In the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. You're going to repeat to yourself what you wrote down. I can do this, I will do this, I must do that. I want you to finish that. All right, good. I can do this, I will do this, I must do that. Good. Last thing I want you to do for me, I want you to write down who you're going to call and tell this to, who you're going to hold accountable to every day. Good. Last thing I want you to write down is I believe. I believe. I believe. That's the last thing you're going to say when you look at it. I believe. It's the last thing you're going to write down. I believe. I got you.